In front of me is OPPO F15 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Now select Google Password Manager to tap on any password you wanna get rid of. Enter your screen lock and tap on Delete twice, once over here and a second one in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!